topic we are going to discuss, that is leadership. This is third element of directing. So leadership is the process of influencing the behavior of people by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of organizational goal. The basic meaning of leadership is leading the group of people and influence their behavior. So leadership indicates the ability of an individual to maintain good interpersonal relations with followers and motivate them to contribute for achieving organizational objectives. Now let's see some stories of leadership, successful stories of leadership. Whenever we hear the success, some name of popular personality came in our mind. Stories of any organization, we are immediately reminded some popular leaders. Can you imagine Microsoft without Bill Gates, Reliance Industries without Ambani's, Infosys without Narayan Murthy, Tata without J.R.D. Tata, or Wipro without Azim Premji? You would say it is not possible to achieve success without such great leaders. The leaders always play a key role for the success and excellence of any organization. So, by keeping in mind the importance of leadership, let's discuss this topic in detail. So, leadership is the activity of influencing people to strive willingly for mutual objectives of an organization. It helps in persuading employees to work cooperatively and enthusiastically towards common goal. See some great leaders on your screen. These are the great leaders of all the time. These are the great influential business leaders of 2020. Can you recognize these names? I will help you to recognize some. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook or CEO of Facebook. You can see Barack Obama, former president of USA. Malala Yousafzai, social worker and great reformer of child education and child welfare. Donald Trump, present president of USA. Dalai Lama, and see some business leaders are also you can see on your screen, like Jack Ma of Alibaba marketing chain, or Jeff Bezos I can see, or Indra Nooyi, and many more leaders you can see. So what are the features of leadership? It indicates ability of an individual to influence others. It tries to bring change in the behavior of others. It indicates interpersonal relations between leaders and followers. It is exercised to achieve common goals of the organization. It is a continuous process. Now see some points of importance of leadership. Make people contribute positively. So leadership influences behavior and make people contribute positively and produce good results. It creates congenial work environment by maintaining personal relations to help followers fulfill their needs, plus provides confidence, support and encouragement. Third, it introduces change by persuading, clarifying and inspiring people to accept changes. So, by leadership, it helps to overcome resistance to change with minimum discontent, with minimum resistance, with minimum disagreement, we can say. It also handles conflicts because it does not allow adverse effects. It allows followers to express their feelings and disagreements and give suitable clarification. It also trains subordinates by building up successors and help in smooth succession process. Now let's discuss styles of leadership. Leadership style refers to a leader's behavior, its pattern, its system of working. Behavioral pattern which the leader reflects in his role as a leader, which is often described as a style of leadership. A leadership style depends on the leader's philosophy, personality, experience, and value system. The type of followers, too, the atmosphere prevailing in the organization, and the use of authority by the leader. There are different styles of leadership. The most popular classification of leadership styles is based on the use of authority. Depending on the use of authority, there are three basic styles of leadership. These are autocratic leadership, which is also known as authoritative leadership; participative leadership, which is also known as democratic leadership; or free rein leadership, which is also called laissez-faire leadership. So, autocratic, participative, and free rein leadership we will see.